Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, um, here I am in my kitchen and I'm going to be bringing you a healthy meal to help you to get back on track. Guys, this is goes on indefinitely for every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, you are welcome to join us and to participate and also get ideas to what to do and what to cook to get back on track if you fell out of track, or if you want to get healthy, just get some inspiration from a group of lovely ladies. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. Myself, Deborah Cabassa, Home Living, at home with Lisa, and Melissa from the Buckeye Girl Home Decor and Lifestyle. Guy, in our channels, we bring you some healthy choice meals that you could choose from any menu you want, any of my friends' menu. And for all those people that participate, you could enjoy their menu. Guys, and I'm telling you, it works. Um, One of our girls, Melissa, I'm very proud of you. You have lost 38 pounds doing this since you started with us. And I'm telling you, girl, hats off to you and congratulations and keep up the good work, guys. I usually bring some fitness. I was going to bring fitness this Sunday coming up, but guys, helping my husband move a bureau that a friend gifted to us, I messed up my back. So ain't no fitness going on for a while. I managed to go to the gym yesterday, and my situation happened this morning at 8:30 in the morning. So imagine. So I'll get better. I'll get better, and eventually I could, guys, bring you a video. Guys, I'm going to be making fish, and shrimp and some veggies and of course rice. My husband want rice, so I will be heating up some rice that I have cooked yesterday. So we will be having that. So let me get to I'm chopping. You guys can see I have fish on my counter. It's not on the counter, it's on a clear coating board. And I'm cutting my peppers and my onions, and I will be getting the shrimp. The shrimp and the fish is for me, and then the fish is for my husband. My husband cannot eat shrimp. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you guys right there, and I will come back with a little bit of progress. All right, guys, here I have my fish with shrimp. Here's my husband's fish. We having catfish, and I'm seasoning with uh, lemon juice. So lemon juice, and I already put a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm using Mrs. Dash. So that one and this one, they're both without salt. So, and I'm using a little bit of, I don't know, you guys have this oil, but this is delicious. I recommend it, guys. Infused with garlic. Is Tuscany herb infused extra virgin olive oil. This is the brand right here. Guys, I found this a price right. So it's really good. I recommend it. So a little bit of oil. And with that, also just for a little kick, since I'm eating seafood, of course, I told you guys I will be adding a little bit of this. Also, I found at, oh my goodness, I just said the supermarket. A price right. So I don't add a lot because I don't tolerate spicy food as much as I used to when I was young. Anyways, that, and with that there, I will be adding um, peppers and onions, and I'm just gonna steam this. This is the little pepper that grows inside the pepper, so I'm just gonna put it in there. So And it's gonna go into the oven. Of course, I'm gonna place it on my baking sheet. I will be making a steamed vegetable as well. Like I said, for myself, but for now, I'm going to place this in the oven because I wanted to start cooking. All right, guys, here I have broccoli with asparagus, and I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro for flavor, and add less than a half a teaspoon of butter. Here I have sweet potatoes with raw brown sugar because I'm craving something sweet, and with some cinnamon. So that's gonna be my vegetables. My husband is gonna have rice and corn with his, but he just wants to open a can of corn. He's just going simple today. But guys, just to let you know, guys, I eat like this all the time, not just for a video purposes. This is my daily, basically everyday routine. I like to eat fresh. I eat a lot of fresh veggies. Um, and I recommend, guys, for you to eat healthy and get more vegetables in your system. And I mean, a lot of people tell me, "Oh, how do you lose weight eating carbohydrates?" You could eat carbohydrates as long as you eat the right carbohydrates, the healthy carbohydrates. Now, the unhealthy carbohydrates is bread, and not all bread. If you eat, you could substitute your white bread for wheat bread, or if you eat bread, it's okay as long as you don't eat it every day. I eat bread. I love bread, but I don't eat it every day. I substitute my white English muffin for wheat and whole grain, um, because it keeps you full longer and you don't eat often. I do eat at least 5 to 6 times a day. I eat small meals. Um, so basically, I'm not eating one big meal. So that's also what helped me to lose weight. Instead of sitting down and eating one big lunch, I divided my lunch for two, and then my dinner I divided for 2 times. And guys, always drink at least 8 ounces of water before you sit down to eat your meal, so you get full faster. Chew your food um, good enough, and it'll you will get full faster. And then when you just take a couple of chew on your food and swallow, so you're swallowing whole food, not chew good enough, and that's when you will consume extra calories that your body doesn't need. Well, anyway, guys, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna come back to you with the plate already set and show you what my plate looks like. All right, guys, I'll be right back in a minute. Well, guys, here's the moment of truth. As you see the delicious steam coming out of the pouches. Woo! Be careful opening your food. Oh, everything looks absolutely delicious. So let's look at this, guys. Oh, delicious. All right, guys, I'm going to set this plate up and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Well, guys, are you ready? Are you ready for my food reveal? All right, guys. Here we go. This is my plate: fish, shrimp, broccoli, asparagus, and sweet potatoes with cinnamon and brown sugar. Here we have rice, broccoli, and fish with onions and pepper. Guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. Guys, bon appetit. Bye bye, guys.